Mabuhay, kamasta kayo, and welcome to another video. So we're going to be repotting these 4 Haworthia today. These are Haworthia Arachnoidea that I grew from seed back in February 2019. The very first Haworthia I grew from seed actually. So 3.5 years old and a nice size to them. This will be the 3rd repotting video I've done on these plants, and I'll insert some footage of what these looked like back then. Certainly have grown quite a lot. These are bigger than some other Haworthia that are older. These would probably be even larger if this was their 4th repotting, but they've definitely outgrown these pots they're in now. Right, we'll start with this one. Probably my favourite of the 4 because it's the most compact one. Not the easiest pots to squeeze, these ones. Wow, lovely looking roots. I will clean them up as always. Got a nice new tool here that Edith got for me. This works much better than the wooden trusty skewer I normally use. This gets between the roots much easier and does less damage as well, so that's always a good thing. Nice healthy roots. Right, I'll do one more, then speed the rest of the footage up. They look like lovely roots again. Yeah, apologies if I'm not too chatty in this video. We're in a heat wave here again. Temperatures aren't as high as they were last month, but high enough. Been some difficult nights sleeping, and I haven't slept great for the past couple of nights. So yeah, sorry if I sound a bit bleh, it's the heat. Nice root system again. So yeah, I'll speed the other 2 up and be back with you once we're ready to pot them up. Right, I'm going to use these pots. Would prefer if they were black, but this is a good size for them to go into. Mix I'm using is 4 equal parts of Johnson's No. 2 compost, pumice, Keodama and zeolite. And I'm just going to pop a bit of low nitrogen osmocott in the pots as well. Start filling. Don't think this tool works as good as a trusty skewer for poking the mixture down, so I won't be retiring that just yet. First one done. I'll get the other 3 done quick and then we'll top dress them at the end. And there we go, all done. I do have quite a few more plants I'd like to get repotted before the autumn, but gonna wait for this heat to subside a little before repotting any more. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like and comment, consider subscribing to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you know when I upload a new video. You'll be safe and well, and I shall see you next time. Salamat po paalam. Bye for now.